everybody. We are going to make some homemade natural cleaner today. It's a citrus cleaner. We have been saving our citrus peels. We've been saving our citrus peels. The boys love to eat the little mandarin oranges. And we like to have lemon with our tea and our water. And we love to juice the grapefruits. Then I scrape out the little membranes from the inside, and we're gonna tear it up into little pieces. Yeah. You want to help me, Warren? You want to help me tear it up? And Warren's already started putting it into a recycled glass container. That's just from some organic juice, and we saved it. And tear that up for me. Okay, use your nails. Let me get it started for you. Can you do that now? Let's move the chair back up a little bit. Whoa! Ooh, I got your back though. Okay. When we've got that all torn up into little pieces, we're going to fill up the jar with all of the rinds. Now you have to cut them up into little tiny pieces. Does that fit yet? Do you need to keep working on it? Oh, you're going to make it fit. Wow. You made it fit. You want to put this one in? And you want to tear that one in half again? Or are you going to make it fit? Where there's a will, there's a way.
Stop.
Okay, take turns, please. Can you put this one in? And tear that one in half again? Let's put some lemon in there. Don't they smell good? And while we were saving them, we just put the extra peels into a little plastic bag or container, and we stuck them in the freezer until we had enough to fill up the jar. Then I just got them out and let them thaw a little bit so that way they can bend and get shoved into the jar. Can you cut that one in half again? Break it up, please. Shake it down. Shake it down. Okay, wait until he's done. Wait until his hands move. Thank you. Can you figure it out? Do you need to cut it again? There's a tear right there. Can you keep going?
Mommy.
Tear. Oh, you're so strong.
Hey, Mommy. This is my tattoo. What's in myself?
You're doing it yourself. That's right.
That's nice. That's my day.
Yep, you're doing it.
That's why I do it.
I like it when you help me.
That's my doing this one.
Yeah.
That's my doing. What's in my wife?
Say, excuse me, please. On my
That's
turn,
me,
please.
please.
Thank you. That was nice.
That's my good doing. That's doing my nails.
Do I need to get something to shove them down?
For my different.
Shove it down, shove it down, shove it down. Can you do it?
Sit it down. Sit it down.
That's right. Shove it down. Let Warren have a turn, please.
Sit it down. Sit it down. Sit it down. Sit it down.
Okay, can you let Warren do it, Tannenbaum, please? Thank you. Okay. Oh, teamwork. Trying different ways is good. Well, you let him have a turn now. Oh, okay. I think we have that good enough.
I want to have a
Let
turn.
Warren do it, please.
Let me do it.
I'm going to have to shut off the camera if you can't do it. All right, let's get out the vinegar. Thank you. All right. We're going to use just some plain white vinegar now, and we're going to fill it up. You got it? Are you showing everybody?
My ear's so big. My ear's so strong. My ear's so strong.
Yeah, you are so strong. That's right. Well, there you go. All right. Can you hold this, Warren? Yeah. We'll fill it all the way up. Okay, that's enough of that. Where's the lid?
Up top.
Shove it down? Okay.
Let me shut it down.
Okay, I think we're good. Can we have a place?
Let me have a thing. Let me have a thing.
Okay.
Stop. Stop.
I think we need to put the lid on now.
Here, let me do it.
Quick turn. Shove, 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 shove. You guys are really liking that, aren't you? Is that fun? Okay.
Here, let me.
Let's put the lid on. Hold on, we gotta show them what it looks like when it's all done.
When
We're gonna let this sit in the cupboard for anywhere from a week to a month, and all of the everything from the oils and all from the citrus peels are going to leach into the vinegar, and when it's got a good color to it, we're going to strain out the peels and just have the vinegar. And I put that into a spray bottle. Hold on, whoa. Let me see. Okay. Into a spray bottle. And then we have our own citrus cleaner. Say bye-bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.